Control panel, digital display of temperature and time. Special base, T-shirt can insert into bottom platen, high efficiency and save labor. High strength spring, effectively adjust the balance of heating plate and reduce pressure. Pneumatic device, automatic control, even and stable pressure up to 8 kg per square centimeter. Air gauge on the side which can adjust the pressure. Before starting, connect the air pipe to raise the heating plate. Adjust the air pressure to 0.4 MPa. Turn on machine. Set temperature. Set time. Print quantity, when pressing 3 seconds. Operation demo. Place T-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time is up, heating platen will go up. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.